Let's talk about Pi Network coin. Yes, Pi Network listing in 30 days. People have been saying in next 30 days, Pi Network will be listed finally. And for me, next 30 days, if we get Pi Network to finally be listed, and then this is going to be the biggest news very soon. This is going to be the biggest news of crypto industry in the past 1 year. Yes, whenever you hear that Pi Network finally has been launched, that's the biggest news in crypto industry in the past 1 year. Because this coin, oh my god, this coin Pi Network, people are really talking about this coin. Everywhere people buy coin. Whenever I go, buy coin. On social media, buy coin. Wow. Let's see what PiCoin will finally offer to us once it's launched. Let's see how much PiCoin will be trading at, and let's see in the first 6 months where PiCoin will take us, and in the first 1 year, let's see if they'll be breaking a lot of records, since they have that foundation to push them far, since they have that foundation to really take Pi Network far. Let's hope for the best. But for me, yes, I believe that Pi Network is one of the best crypto coins, and getting listed in the next 30 days is going to be amazing, and I hope for this to be true. But we still know that this year, definitely this year, this coin will be launched finally. Okay, even though it's not in the next 30 days, but I believe it is achievable. And they also said they are ready, everything's almost done. So let's hope for the best. Pi everywhere. Finally, we are waiting. Finally, we are about to start. Start trading. Start buying things. Start spending our Pi coin. Of course, a lot of people mine this coin and they have this coin on their wallet. They can't wait to start spending Pi. And when this is ready, we will definitely spend our Pi in a wise way. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.